In today's video, I'm going to teach you moving and repositioning tags in your view. Whether you're tidying up a drawing or clarifying a layout, clean, well-placed tags make all the difference. I'll walk you through how to select a tag, move it exactly where you want it, adjust a leader line when one is present, and finalize the placement with confidence. Start by clicking the tag you want to move in your view, hover your cursor until the tag highlights, then click to select it. You'll typically see a clear visual cue that it's active, which helps you confirm you're working with the tag and not the element behind it. If several items sit close together, take a brief moment to verify that only the tag is selected. Zooming in a bit can help with accuracy and prevents accidental moves of nearby graphics. Next, drag the tag to its new location. Click and hold the mouse button, then move the cursor to the spot where you want the tag to appear. As you drag, you should see a preview of its new position. Keep an eye on alignment guides or any snap feedback your software provides. These can help you keep your annotations orderly and consistent. Aim for a location that's easy to read, avoids overlapping other notes or symbols, and maintains a clear relationship to the item being labeled. If your tag includes a leader line, you can refine the look by adjusting its endpoint. After positioning the tag, find the endpoint or grip at the end of the leader. Click and drag that endpoint so the leader connects cleanly to the target element or so it straightens out for better legibility. Try to keep the leader short, direct, and uncluttered. Avoid crossing other leaders or geometry, and choose an attachment point that makes the association obvious at a glance. When the tag is exactly where you want it, release the mouse button to place it. Take a quick moment to review the result. Is the text readable, the spacing comfortable, and the leader, if present, neat and unambiguous? If the placement isn't perfect, you can simply click and drag again until it feels right. Small adjustments now save time later and make your drawings or layouts much easier to understand. That's all there is to it. Click the tag, drag it to the new location, refine the leader endpoint if you have one, and release the mouse when everything lines up just right. With a few thoughtful placements, your view will look clean, professional, and crystal clear.